Is your internet suddenly crawling at a
I saw this on the
snail's
news
pace?
earlier.
It's incredibly
really
frustrating
concerning,
when your
isn't it?
connection was perfect yesterday but feels like dial-up today. Usually this isn't random. It's often a ghost in the machine or a simple physical obstacle you wouldn't expect. For instance, even a new fish tank or a mirror placed between you and the router can act as a massive barrier for radio waves. Water and dense materials are signal killers. If you're in a crowded area, your neighbor's routers might be clogging up the same channel you're on, causing a digital traffic jam. A simple restart can often force your router to find a clearer lane. Also, don't forget about hardware fatigue. Routers are like tiny computers running 24/7, and after 3 to 5 years, their internal components can simply start to wear out. Even dust buildup can cause overheating, forcing the processor to throttle your speed to save itself. If you've added several smart home gadgets recently, you might be hitting a bandwidth tax, where your router is simply overwhelmed by too many devices asking for attention at once. Before you call your provider or buy a new device, try elevating your router or switching to a less congested DNS server to make your browsing feel snappy again. Often, the fix is much simpler than you think.